Assalamualaikum dear students. Hope you all are fine. This is your science class and today we are going to start a new chapter number 12, the solar system. Dear student, what comes in your mind when you heard the word solar? The solar is related to the sun. Solar system is a system in which all the heavenly bodies orbit around the sun. Now the question is, what are heavenly bodies? Heavenly bodies or heavenly objects are large and massive objects in the space such as planets, moon, stars, asteroids. There are 8 planets such as Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Solar system has two parts, inner planets and outer planets. स्टूडेंट्स वो प्लैनेट्स जो कि सन के बहुत ज़्यादा क्लोजेस्ट हैं उन्हें इनर प्लैनेट्स या टेरेस्ट्रियल प्लैनेट्स कहा जाता है एंड उनकी सरफेस जो है वो रोकी होती है फॉर एग्जांपल मर्क्यूरी वीनस अर्थ एंड मार्स एंड दोज प्लैनेट्स दैट आर वेरी फार अवे फ्रॉम द सन are outer planets and gas giants, for example Neptune, Saturn, Jupiter, Uranus. Their surface is not rocky but they are as a gas giant. Now do you know how these planets were formed? That's a very interesting question. Actually, according to the research, there were huge clouds of dust and gas in the space. The clouds spin and the tiny dust particles stick together and grow into the rocks. And eventually they form planets. स्टूडेंट्स कहा जाता है कि एक स्टार सन की तरह का स्टार सेंटर में बना मिडल में और उसने सब कुछ अपनी तरफ खींच लिया जैसे कि आप अगर देखें सोलर सिस्टम को सन सेंटर में है और जो बाकी सब प्लैनेट्स हैं वो अपने अपने ऑर्बिट में चक्कर लगाते हैं ड्यू टू ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स ऑफ सन स्टूडेंट्स आई हैव टोल्ड यू अ वेरी शॉर्ट समरी. Now we will discuss the characteristics of each planet. The first one is Mercury. The Mercury is the smallest and closest to the Sun. It is very fast revolving planet. Earth has one moon. इसी तरह Mercury has no moon. It has very thin atmosphere that contains hydrogen, oxygen and sodium. The second planet is Venus. Venus is the very hottest planet among all those planets. It also have no moon. It has thick atmosphere that contains carbon dioxide, sulfuric acid and heat. That's why it is very hottest planet. Students, we can see sun rises in the east and sets in the west from the earth. वेनस में उसके ऑपोजिट है सन जो है वो मगरिब से निकलता है और मशरिक में गरूब होता है एंड द थर्ड प्लैनेट इज़ द अर्थ इज़ द ओनली वन प्लैनेट वेयर लाइफ सस्टेन. It has one moon. It contains gases like carbon dioxide, nitrogen, oxygen. And there are 70% water and 30% land on the earth. The fourth planet is the Mars. It has two moons. It is dusty cold and reddish glow planet. Like Earth has seasons, this planet also have seasons, polar caps and canyons. Canyons are the deep narrow valleys. It contains carbon dioxide and argon. These 4 planets are the inner planets. The fifth planet is Jupiter. It is the largest planet with giant red spot. It has 80 to 95 moons. There are hydrogen, helium, nitrogen sulfate in the atmosphere of Jupiter. कहा जाता है कि यहाँ बहुत बड़ा एक तूफान है जिसको ख़त्म होने में सालों लग जाते हैं. The sixth planet is Saturn. It is the second largest planet. It has colorful ring around it as you have seen in the picture. It has 82 moons and it contains nitrogen and helium gases. It is also a gas giant. The seventh planet is the Uranus. It is the third largest planet and it is also the coldest planet among all these planets. That's why it is called an ice giant. It has 27 moons and it contains water, methane and ammonia. Its blue color is due to methane. It has ring circles as you have seen in the picture. The last and the eighth planet is the Neptune. It has ring system. It has 14 moons and it contains water, ammonia and methane. Its color is also blue due to presence of methane. These last four planets are gas giants. स्टूडेंट्स ये थी सारी प्लैनेट्स की कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स। अब इनको बुक से आप इनकी रीडिंग करें और इनका आपस में डिफ्रेंशिएट और डिफरेंस बनाएं। इसकी एक चेकलिस्ट बनाएं जिसमें आप लिखें कि हॉटेस्ट प्लैनेट कौन सा है, कोल्डेस्ट कौन सा है, गैस जाइंट्स कौन से हैं। आई होप you will understand this. Kindly read the chapter. Thank you so much.